A very good evening to everyone. Welcome to Global Online. And in today's class, we are going to see NTA UGC Net Paper 1 2022 batch concept for research aptitude. And in today's lecture, I have taken the concept of seminars, conference, symposium, and workshop. Definitely, there are questions on this topic, and students feel little bit, difficult to understand them conceptually and answer the question. So, in this particular session, we are going to understand these concepts, which will help you to secure 2 marks with this. Okay. So, before we go ahead, let's understand that from coming week, that is 19th of September, which falls as Monday, we'll be starting our new batch from the with the help of new unit, which will help you to understand the concepts of paper 1 very well, and at the same time prepare yourself for your upcoming cycle as well as your subject related examination on a particular date. For the same, also Global Online has made an arrangement of quick revision PDF. Now, this PDF will be really helpful for you to get the content revised in a lesser span of time, which will be consisting of 2000 plus MCQs, updated MCQs, current affairs, previous year question papers with answer keys, as well as most repeated questions, which are available at the given WhatsApp number. And the fees is 599. So if you want to get an access for this paper, you can this PDF, you can definitely get in touch with us on the given WhatsApp number. Apart from this, we also have paper 2 notes and MCQ available. The notes and MCQs are available for the subjects which are reflected on the screen. You can look for your subject. We have added a new subject, that is philosophy. The fees for same is 1700, but right now we have kept 25% off. So we have the fees charge is 1275, that is 1275. In order to get the access for the same, you can get in touch with us on the given WhatsApp number. Now, saying so, we will go ahead with the research topic. So, from research, you have 25, sorry, from research topic, you have 5 questions, which carries totally 10 marks. So, ideally, each question carries 2 marks. So, on the topic which we have taken today, you can definitely get a 2 mark question. Apart from this, the subject is, the subject has the following syllabus, where we have research types, characteristics, positivism and positivistic approach, a post-positivistic approach, methods consisting of experimental, descriptive, historical, qualitative, and quantitative methods, steps involved in research. We have thesis and article writing, application of ICT in research, as well as research ethics. So we are doing daily, MCQ rounds at 10 a.m. Any student who is new to the channel or is not aware, at morning 10 a.m. we have the MCQ series, on same series we have evening the conceptual lectures. Okay. So today's topic for the lecture is seminar, conference, symposium, and workshop. First, let us understand the meaning one by one, and then we will go for understanding it in the distinguished form. So seminar is nothing but a formal presentation by one or more experts to a small group of audiences. So when we have a expert presentation by a small group, to a small group by the experts, is called as what? Seminar. On the other side, conference is a formal meeting of people who confer about a topic, that is, who comes with what? Who comes with a discussion about the topic which has been decided. Now, what is symposium? Now, basically, seminar, conference, symposium. So, in this, symposium and conference stands to be same. So, symposium is a formal meeting in which specialists deliver a short address on a topic and presentation, to the participants with respect to what? A presentation. The difference between symposium and conference is that symposium is conducted at a larger scale, whereas conference is conducted at a larger scale, whereas symposium is conducted at a shorter scale. So that is the only basic difference between conference and symposium, and rest all remains the same. Now, when we talk about workshop, a workshop implies the participants or the students be practicing new skills. So it is always called as hands-on training. So if you're teaching a new skill to a student, or maybe the teacher participant, that will be trained as what? It is called as your workshop. we have a new term that is, it is not in your syllabus, but expected maybe in any form. So we will just study about it. That is colloquium. It's nothing but an academic meeting that the specialists deliver on a specific topic related to, the answer to the question, sorry, on a topic, related topic, and answer the questions relating to the topic. It is targeted to well, it is targeted to well educate the people about the topic, delivered by the specialist. So based on this, we will now see the differences. So we will have certain features. Maybe if you're not clear, still there is a doubt in your mind. So let's have the look at this particular differences. So here we will understand, what exactly you mean and how it will be differing from each other. So when we talk about session, that is session for seminar is small, conference and symposium can be long, workshop also will be a long duration, whereas forum, in case if forum is conducted, it will be for a smaller duration. Problem orientation, it is broad area. Conference is specific, symposium specific, workshop is specific, forum is also specific. So only seminar is conducted at broad area. Participant involvement, seminar in active, symposium active, whereas for conference and workshop and forum it is passive, unless and until in workshop you're not being told individually to practice the things. Otherwise it is, it is passive. Theory and nature of practicality in all of them. So when we talk about seminar, it is theory. When we talk about conference, it's theory. Symposium, it's theory. Workshop, it's practical, whereas forum is also a theoretical aspect. Presentation, it's a seminar one way, conference one way, whereas symposium is both the way. Workshop is also both the way, is opposed also, in the form of the groups. Now, coming to the next points, that is purpose. In seminar, it is for training or for lecture purpose, learning purpose. Whereas for conference, it is sharing the information. Symposium, it is to discuss a particular subject. Workshop, it is to do some certain things practically. And forum, it is on opinion based. In exchange of information, seminar, it's done at a horizontal level. But conference is done at a vertical level. Symposium is public discussion. Workshop is vertical. Forum is vertical. Training and seminar, in training is only done in workshop. None other aspects training is taken. Procedure, in seminar it is more narrative, in conference it is procedural, symposium it is open discussion, workshop it is procedural, whereas in forum also it is taken ahead procedure wise. Type of person involved, seminar we have different persons involved, conference is similar, symposium is similar, workshop is similar, and forum is also similar. So basically this is what, an extensive understanding about the topic seminar, conference, symposium, and workshop. A quick revision for this topic will help you to secure 2 marks if you get a very dedicated question on this topic. So yes, that's all we have for this concept class. Tomorrow morning 10 a.m. we'll be having the MCQs. So those who are not aware, do please attend it. It is a live class and it will help you to clear more concepts and be prepared yourself for your examination. So thank you everyone. See you tomorrow 10 a.m. in the live class for MCQ series revision for research aptitude. Thank you.